that D-Type?
Yeah, I built that from absolutely...
You built that?
Yeah.
No, that's fine.
I don't get it dirty.
Yeah, to start with.
And then I pull it apart every 2 years
Oh, okay.
and rebuild it.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Wow, it's a bit anal.
That keeps you running more then.
Yeah, well, you pick up on things you haven't seen if you don't. You know, there's little things that you go, oh, okay, I didn't know that was happening, or gives you a chance to keep ahead of any of the problems.
Yep.
But yeah, generally I drive it a couple of times and then I'll take the wheels off and give it a clean, lift it off the ground and go over it.
Did you say you race it as well?
I used to, this car was a racing car from America.
Oh, okay.
So it's got a 5-speed get rag gearbox in it from the factory, 2-speed Halobrand diff. So it changes diff gear sets. Full of stroke motor in it.
Yep.
It's an old car. It's not like a bloody brand new Nissan. I'm building this, which hopefully one day will be here. If the fun police don't stop me.
Is that D-Type?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I built that from absolutely...
You built that?
Yeah.
That shark tail wing sort of thing. Oh,
Sorry?
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is as close as I can get it to the real deal.
Yeah. You're building that here in Adelaide?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's taken me 13 years so far. And I've injected the motor, which to get it through Regency Park, it's got to have fuel injection.
Oh, okay.
It's got to have a whole range of ADR requirements.
Yeah.
But rather than just do it and then make it look like something on the outside, I've gone through a lot of trouble to make it look proper. You know?
Look legit, yeah. How it
So
was. Yeah.
I've hidden everything.
Okay.
It's just the joy. Not.
When do we get to see that?
Well, it's nearly finished.
Yeah.
Probably next year sometime.
Keep an eye out.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Some people get some serious cameras here.
It'll be on Netflix next.
Yeah.
Dipped it down and
Right.
fully rebuilt it.
I actually built for a living Jaguars.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
I've got
See,
5 E-Types on the go at the
Oh my
minute.
gosh, that's amazing.
Been doing it for 35 years.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm about to retire. Next 2 years I'll be
Good.
full on the pin.
Well, I hope you're not selling these anytime
Yeah,
soon
no, it's
because
the
they're so
same.
good.
I'm
Oh, it
actually
is?
selling
Oh, wow, okay.
This one? Yeah. I'm selling it because I've got the D-Type nearly finished
Yep.
and I have no time for both.
Yeah, that's fair.
And I've had this for 30 years, 35 years.
Time to move to the next thing, I guess.
Yeah, well, it owes me a significant amount of money. So just the wheels alone are nearly 45 grand.
Really?
Just the wheels.
Why is that?
They're $37,500 for the set of 5, and that magnesium, original racing magnesium wheels.
Ah, right.
And the tyres are $1,000 each.
Jeez.
So, stroke a 3.8 litre motor in it.
Yeah.
You know, it's got a 6-speed gear. Oh, actually, it's a 5-speed get rag, but it's actually running 2-speed diff.
Yeah.
So it changes in the diff as well. So
That's cool. What was your name again, mate? Sorry?
Alan Baker.
Alan Becker. Ben. Nice to meet
Baker,
you.
nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You in something here?
Yeah, I just take photos for fun, really.
Oh, do you
Just
really?
yeah,
Okay.
just post them up on Instagram and things,
Right.
so
Fair
But-
enough.
it's just a joy. And I just like the old classic cars. I like new cars, but I like classics.
I think all cars are nice.
Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, thanks for sharing your
You're
story.
very welcome, and thanks for your
Appreciate it.